I did this cute hairstyle myself, and trust me, this didn't even take a long time. This took me less than an hour to achieve, and all you need is just your braiding hair extension, your hairpin, and your beads. Because I didn't want to use so much gel on my hair, because this is a 4C natural hair, I decided to do a little braid in front, then at the back, because I want this to be very fast as possible, I use wool to secure it at the back. You can either use a wool to tie it or to knot it at the back, or you can decide to go for a rubber band. Anyone is actually okay. Just stumbling on my YouTube channel, you're welcome. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup, hair commentary, do it yourself hairstyles, different hair tutorials. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family, and comment. I want to hear your thoughts. Will you be trying out this hairstyle? The braids that I did in front, I decided to create a little section in that same row, but this is smaller than the other size of the braid I made. So this small section is where I'm going to add beads to. So I did a knotless braid for this part. for this hairstyle, I use 1.5 pack of hair extension, not the very big size. So if you're going for the very big size, 1 pack of hair extension can be enough, because I want this to be voluminous. I want the hair to be as bulky as possible, not too bulky though, but you can decide to go for just 1 pack of extension as well. 1 pack is also enough for this hairstyle. Now to this twisting that I'm doing here, somebody helped me to hold one part. So if you don't have anybody, you can decide to just tie this to anywhere that you can actually hold, then start twisting from the middle. So that is the hack for you to twist, like to have twisted ends, like the 2 ends are well twisted. So you have to start from the middle part, then when you're done, you face the other side and start twisting the other side as well. That's the way you're going to have a straight twist without it having any form of bump in the middle. So in all, I did 4 twists. Then the 5th one, I decided to twist that on my own hair, so I just use wool to secure it to the roots of my hair that I've packed at the middle there. So that's going to form the base for me to start rolling it round. Just rolling, follow that base you've already created. You know, when I roll that base, I use my pin, the small black pin, to secure it. So that's the same thing you're going to continue doing. Continue following the same base you've already created, then just continue and you're coming forward. Just added rubber band to the tip of this hair, so I'm going to adjust it to the length I want it to be, because I don't want it to be so long. It's going to just be a little below my jawline. This is the final look of this hairstyle. What do you think about it? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends and family, and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified every time I post. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.